Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Engineer Singh. Today's tutorial I will show you how to perform functions on complex number in calculator. I am using Casio FX991EX. Just follow the simple steps. So without wasting any further time, let's start our video. So let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is you need to activate the complex mode. For activating complex mode, go to menu, just drag around and you can see the complex mode. Just hit equal or press the number, that is 2, and your mode will be activated. So the complex mode is activated. Now we need to write in complex format. For that you need to just press the real part and the imaginary part by hitting ENG just above number 8 for the imaginary number. That's it. That's how you represent a complex number in a scientific calculator. So let's go to options. You can see all the operations for the complex number. Let's go with an example. Argument, repeat the same process by defining a complex number. Write the real part, then the imaginary part by the same process. Hit solve or equal and you will get the result. Let's go with another example. Find the conjugate. Repeat the same, go to option, press number 2 as implying to conjugate, repeat the same, define the complex number real plus imaginary number, close the bracket and hit equal and you will get the result. That's how you can perform any operation on a complex number in a scientific calculator. Let's go with further more examples. Let's find the real part. Just hit equal and we'll get the result. The more functions is converting from polar to Cartesian and Cartesian to polar. Let's go with Cartesian to polar. Just write in Cartesian coordinate and hit equal and you will get in polar coordinate, and vice versa too. Yes, write in polar form. That's how you represent in polar. Just hit equal and you will get in Cartesian form. That's how you can perform any operation on complex number in scientific calculator. That's it. Thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, hit the like button. For any questions and queries, you can comment down below. Do subscribe our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification. Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.